Learn English. Hello! Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here every day with word games. Today's game is adjectives. It will start easy and then get more difficult. Number 1. This cake has a lot of sugar. It is very... If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. Sweet. It's very sweet. At the picnic, we used forks and knives. This means they were not made of metal. Plastic. Plastic forks and knives. Plastic is an adjective here. Those children are intelligent. Equals they are brilliant. We use brilliant for people. We also say that's a brilliant idea. Okay, in this one we're talking about lips, L-I-P. So I have a picture of Bob here. And this is Bob's upper lip. And the other one is his lower. Bob's lower lip. That person over there has very shoulders. This means very wide. And the first letter is the second letter in the alphabet. Broad. Very broad shoulders. The first letter is the second letter in the alphabet. Let's go back to our plan. This means our first plan. Our original plan. Original is an adjective here. They are doing well. They both have jobs. This means they don't have to worry about losing their job or getting fired. And the second missing letter is a U. They have secure jobs. Have you heard that singer's album? This means newest. Latest. When you use latest like this, it's an adjective. She hopes that the team doesn't win. This means the other team. The opposing team. Opposing is an adjective when you use it like this. They are happy and satisfied. Equals they are content. This word is also a noun, but we pronounce it differently. We say content. See you next time. Hello, new students. My name is Vinny. I'm from Canada.